Hey you guys, it's Ruth Wilson. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do makeup tutorials for beginners. So in today's video, I'm going to show you something spectacular. Of course, I know that everywhere you go, you look for that ombre lip. They always give you the red one. Of course, I'm going to give you that one in this video, but how about if you have other colors? What about if the fact that you were gifted mismatched lipstick colors that when you wear them independently, they just don't go with your skin tone? Because trust me, I have lipstick in my collection that if I wear it right now in front of you, they're not going to match my skin tone, period, whether I'm wearing makeup or not, especially if I'm not wearing makeup. And of course, the first thought you would have is to toss those away or give them away. Don't do that yet, because in this video, I'm going to show you several ombre looks that you can create with any color lipstick that you may have in your collection. If you want to see how this comes out, then keep watching this video. Get out your pens and papers. It's time for us to learn. Alright guys, let's walk you through this with the very first one right here. This is a combination of, I won't say this lipstick I'm using here is a matte. It's not a matte because it does not dry down like a matte, but there's going to be the other shade that you're going to see is an actual matte lipstick, and you see the combination of them both. So if people literally tell you that you cannot use matte on lipstick or matte with I don't know what the word is, satin matte. Yes, this lipstick is a satin matte. They work together. They all work together. So we're using the satin matte lipstick to outline our lips like so. And you're outlining it so that you can give it that beautiful depth. Now I tell you this lipstick I'm using here, if I put this on my lip just the way it is, it would not turn out perfect. I would look hideous. I really don't like the way it would look, but already look at how this ombre is already turning out so gorgeously. It's so pretty, so beautiful, and it's super duper easy. And if you want to, you can leave it as matte, or what I'm doing here is adding a little bit of gloss to this lippy just to give it some more shine, even though you are getting a little bit of shine because what's it called again? Yeah, if you think that, you need to apply a little more, that's fine, because I personally felt like the shade disappeared a little bit. So I decided to apply just a little more. And there you have it, our very first ombre lip. This is so gorgeous. I am totally digging this. And this is a color that I can definitely wear by itself. Wait for a picture to see how it truly looks. Now we're getting into our second ombre. This has to be my all-time favorite ombre. And I create this one whenever I have so much going on my eyes, when my eyes are like going bam. I don't want my lip to take away the attraction. So you simply go in with a dark brown pencil if you have a dark brown pencil. And remember, in one of my videos, you can simply use your eyebrow pencil. It's yours, your lip, your eyes, your brows. You can do that. All right, so instead of having to buy two pencils, just buy one, and you can use that and map out the shape of your lip with that dark brown. And then we are going to go in and apply that light brown lipstick. That lipstick there, I got it as a gift, and trust me, again, if I wear that lipstick by itself, it is not going to come out well at all. I kid you not. I'm gonna look so hideous, so terrible. I can't wear it by itself. It just needs that outline. I'm using my fingers to try to blend in the pencil just a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with this extremely light shade of lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. Okay, just imagine this. Imagine me wearing that lipstick without that brown pencil. Can you see it? Can you see it? If you can see it, then you a boss. You really are a boss for seeing it. But just look at how gorgeous you can pull it off as a nude with the dark outlining. It's so pretty. And again, I just wanted to go in with just a little bit of gloss just to give it that in depth. And to let you know, the gloss I'm using here is from Trissy Luxury Cosmetics. I love her glosses because they leave the lips very moisturized. They are not sticky at all. They don't leave the lipstick you have on your lips to feel sticky at all. You rub that all together, and yeah, I'm checking my teeth to make sure that nothing got there. You rub it all together and you got the perfect nude ombre. This I can wear by itself. I can literally go on the road with this nude by itself because of how bomb. I'm not even wearing makeup. That is the way of how you remove the excess makeup off of your lips to make sure they don't get to your teeth. This is absolutely beautiful. Wait for a picture. Lip ombre number 3. This is for people who've got just one pencil and one gloss. So we're taking the brown pencil that we have. All right. You outline your lips beautifully. I think this works perfect for anybody. Absolutely anybody. Now, I ain't got nothing against pink lip glosses. I honestly don't like the way they look on my lips by themselves. I don't feel like it pulls it off really well. So if you only have just those two, just a pencil and a lip gloss, this is something that you can definitely do. You go on in and outline your lips with that brown pencil, then you take that beautiful, listen, I love this lip gloss. The pink is so gorgeous. I got this as a gift, but I do not ever wear it by itself, ever. No, just rub that together. Keep rubbing your lips together. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Jesus be praised. Look at that. Look at that beautiful ombre. That's just a pencil and a lip gloss. This is so, so gorgeous. So, so pretty. Now I can definitely wear this by itself. Wait for the photo. Lip ombre number 4. This time we're going in with a matte lipstick. A lipstick that dries down very quickly. For those of you who don't know, mattes do dry down very quickly, and they're perfect for you to wear whenever you have to wear a mask and you want to wear something on your lips. It's not going to make it move around too much. A matte lipstick works perfectly in this case. So remember, I'm using a matte lipstick, and I'm also going to go in with a cream pink lipstick, or some people would actually use it as an outliner, like a lip liner. But look at how well they mesh together. This is again a matte lipstick and a pink beautiful lipstick. This one's from Bite Beauty that I got from BoxyCharm. And all you need to do is just marry the two together. And because the matte lipstick would have already dried down, the pink just brings the depth and blends it out very, very well. Super duper perfect. You don't want nothing more than this. So I'm just gonna add just a little itty bitty bit of gloss to that lip, just to bring it out just a little bit more. Like I keep telling you, just keep rubbing. You rub this, and trust me, this lip gloss from Trissy Luxury Cosmetics is not going to do anything to the matte. This is so, so pretty. Again, wait for the picture. Lip ombre number 5. This is going to be 2 mattes. Now, who said that 2 matte lipsticks cannot fuse together? Well, you gotta work quick. Again, this is matte where it dries down very, very quickly. And because I'm applying matte over matte, it's going to get a little bit sticky. Like this lipstick here, both of them, they do kind of carry some kind of sticky form. I don't know why, and I got those as gifts too. Look, I entered a lot of giveaways over the years, all right, to literally build my collection. So I'm using the darker one to outline the lips. And now I'm going to take the lighter one and put it on the inside. Mind you, the outer one has already dried down. So now adding this is gonna leave that crazy nasty line. As you can see, it leaves the line. So now you literally can see where one starts from where the other ends. And remember, when it comes to eyeshadow, we don't want that happening. So because we don't want it happening, you know, you gotta make sure it doesn't happen with the lips either. So here's the perfect way for you to blend this out and make sure that you don't actually see them. Now you could go with this like this, but I'm gonna put on just a little bit of gloss over that. And I prefer to use the one from the stick form. This is a nice minty lip gloss that's helping to literally blend and marry the two shades together. Now, if you look closely, now you see the beautiness of the ombre. Now you cannot see the lines anymore. You can't see where one starts from where the other ends, and it just looks super perfect. A picture is coming up. Ombre number 6. Now, this is the worst moment that's about to happen in 3, 2, yeah, don't ever do that, ever. But I don't want to throw away that lipstick, so there are ways that you can fix it, and I couldn't get into it. Anyway, this is the satin matte that I'm using again, and this time this is like a ruby wine red kind of lipstick, so it can give you that nice bright red in the middle. Every single individual out there that loves makeup, you deserve to have red lipstick on you at any given time. I now see why a lot of YouTubers do this kind of ombre, because it is the most famous one ever. And this ombre suits every single tone you can think of. When I say every tone, a red lipstick suits pretty much every tone. But when you do it in an ombre form like this, my God, my God, my God, trust me, this particular ombre here, it suits everybody. It really goes in for everybody. And I could have worn this lip just like this, but trust me, as we were coming on to the end of this, my lips were feeling swollen. But a picture is coming in this look. All right, so this is going to be our final ombre. I was looking through my collection and seeing like, what else can I do? Let's do black and pink. Now, you see the way how the lipsticks are created? There's that nice little edgy part. You can actually use that to outline your lips. Be very, very careful with the way how you do it though. Take your time. I don't necessarily have to take my time in this because I've been doing this for a little while. So you just outline it. If you have a black lipstick, you outline your lips just like this, and then you rub on the pink. If you have purple, you can rub that in. I don't really have purple, but I do have pink, and that's a very light pink that I might not be able to pull off on its own. Yeah. After this lipstick here, taking all the lipsticks on and off of my lips, it was beginning to make my lips feel extremely sore. So I could have gone for an even number, but I just couldn't find any other lipstick in my collection that I could have used to show you guys more ombres. But hey, let me know which one's your favorite or which one is your go-to ombre. And there you have it, 7 beautiful ombre lips that you can wear any day, anytime. So that's my video for today. Of course, I'm going with no makeup or nothing on my face because it's the weekend that this video was recorded and the sun out there is boiling hot. And honey, I am not about to do makeup so that sun can melt it off my face. But that's my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you love what you see, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!